Quick little tutorial on the oil change on the Honda lawnmower. Let it run for about 5 minutes, let the oil warm up. I wrapped a towel around the throttle so I don't have to sit here and hold it. Got some Honda synthetic oil, 10W30. Then you want to clean around your oil. Mine is pretty dirty. I just got me some multi-surface spray, spray it down on the towel, wipe it clean. You also want to unplug this spark plug and cut the fuel. Got it cleaned up a little bit around the housing. That way no debris falls into the motor oil, clogging up, making it all dirty. Defeats the whole purpose. I'm gonna get it on this little styrofoam piece and let it drain. My oil is pretty dirty. But it's draining. Alright, got the oil drained out. Let's pour some more in. Alright, get your dipstick cleaned off, put it in, tighten it up. Take it back out, check it out. It's full. That's what you want. Put it back in. I like to give it a couple pulls with the fuel still off. Let that oil get in there. Move around, circulate. Good. Turn your fuel back on. Put your spark plug back on. See what she does.